Well, hello there everyone, David, your friendly hairy Scotsman, back again. Now, I was in Lidl's, there's a surprise. When I'm in there, I get a load of stuff usually, and just do a absolute selection of videos. I found a Terry's chocolate orange. Nothing unusual about that, but it's an Easter egg. And it's got exploding candy in it. Oh, what? It's got a rattle. Now, looking at the picture on the side, I'm going to guess there's some bits of Terry's chocolate orange in there. And it looks like it's them that's got the exploding candy inside. Exploding candy minis inside. That'll be exactly what it is. So, an orange milk chocolate egg with exploding candy minis inside. Hollow milk chocolate egg flavoured with real orange oil containing milk chocolates flavoured with real orange oil with exploding candy pieces, 6%. So the ingredients are sugar, cocoa mass, cocoa butter, skimmed milk powder, whey powder, which is from milk, vegetable fats, which are palm and shea, milk fat, glucose syrup, emulsifiers, E-numbers, orange oil, flavouring, carbon dioxide, may contain nuts and wheat. Milk solids 14%, minimum cocoa solids 25%, minimum contains vegetable fats in addition to cocoa butter. It's 91 grams. There's the nutritional bump. There's what's in it. So, let's get into this. You send it to someone, it says from and to, or to and from. Well, to me, from me. Alright. Nothing else in the box. Nice and colourful. Let's try and tear into this. Come on. We'll get into this. Okay. Right. Looks like it's been tempered at some point. All nice and shiny and pretty. Oh, that is so orangey. Oh, wow. Right. Now, how do I get into this without making a mess? It's trying to melt on my fingers. I must be really warm tonight. Let's try it. I have nothing to belt it. Oh, there we go. I'll use my little plumber's key. And I'm in. Kinda. Wow. Well, I've got a hole in it. I should be able to break it in a bit. There we go, I can push it in a wee bit now. Let's see. Ooh, there's a wee mini. Literally a mini. I'm going to try a bit of the chocolate first. Like that. A bit of chocolate egg. Wear all that. Got a tissue here somewhere. There we go. Somehow I've got a hair in my mouth. Horrible that. So, I'm going to get this hair. Won't come out. I'll have a drink. Get rid of it. It's better. Right. Back to the review. So we've got a little bit of Terry's egg here, a little Terry's mini. It's got Terry's written on it. Let's bite a wee bit off. You can't really see much, wee shiny bits maybe. Got chocolate up my nails and everything. It is popping. Don't know if you can hear it. It's very faint, but it takes me back to popping candy. I wonder if you can still get packets of it. I don't know if you can hear that. I can just hear it and no more. That's fun. Very orangey, really strong orange. And now I'm getting all the little bits of popping candy and don't know if you can hear that. That is really, for only 6%, that is really popping away good. I'm going to have to see if I can get some actual popping candy and just do the whole packet. That's memories bringing back, that's good. How much was it? Terry's Milk Easter, £1.35. It's really good chocolate. Terry's chocolate is really good. The orange is just amazing. I love chocolate and orange. I love chocolate and mint as well. Chocolate and orange always works. The popping candy in it, or exploding candy, or whatever they want to call it this week, that brings back memories from when I was a kid. I've not had it in probably 30 years. Easily. In fact, probably nearer 45 years. Yes, I am old. That's not dye in the beard and the hair. That is nature. Yeah, so would I say if you see this, get it? If you're not allergic to chocolate or popping candy or anything like that, yes, I would. I'd go for it. £1.35, treat yourself. I did. And it's good. It's really nice. The chocolate orange really does taste good. The popping candy just gives you a wee boost. Brings back memories from when I was wee. Yeah, I would definitely say go for it. Let's find another bit of chocolate before I head off. Another shard of chocolate. So, just before I stick this in my gob, if you haven't already subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it if you do. Hit the bell for notifications if YouTube wants to give you them. Leave a like, leave a message, and I'll try and get back to you. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. It really does mean a lot, thinking that folk are watching my ramblings about food and out for a wee drive and all that sort of thing. So, I'm going to vanish just now. Take care of yourselves, everyone. Hope you're all staying safe, because the weather's going to get nasty again this weekend, I've heard. Unless I put this out next week and it was last weekend. Right. You take care of yourselves, folks. Hopefully speak to you all again very, very soon. And see ya.